Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your app language for GoCardless. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your language for GoCardless, you just simply have to open any of your browser at very first. And after opening the browser, simply open the site of gocardless.com and log in your account in there. And now after opening your account, just simply tap to gear option and go to user settings. Now after going into user settings, you just simply have to scroll down until you see this option of language preferences. Now into language preferences, you just simply have to select the drop down beside currently selected language, and after that you can choose among these four languages. Just simply choose any of these: English, Dutch, French and Spanish language, and after that your language will successfully be changed after tapping into this save changes. Otherwise you can change your browser language if you want any more languages than this. I hope this video was informative for you. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update. Thank you for watching the video.